Lunfeng Technology Company. Let's go and see it. Lunfeng Technology Company is a professional manufacturer of all kinds of membrane switches, membrane keypad, membrane overlay, and acrylic panel, aluminum plates, and sticker labels in Shenzhen, China. Our plant area is over 3,000 square meters. We have over 300 employees for management, sales, engineering, and production. We have a strong team which is good at mechanical, electronic, and control automation based on good ability in technology and workmanship. Lunfeng has excellent production equipment and complete quality management system ISO 9001, which can ensure stable and reliable products quality. She is testing the products right now. This is their punching workshop. This is the CNC cutting. Lunfeng custom membrane switches are manufactured by screen printing the circuit directly onto a plastic substrate with silver or carbon conductive ink. The simple, versatile, durable, and economic design of a custom membrane switches make it a superior alternative to the mechanical switch. There are many feature options available, such as custom printing logos, custom printing graphics or shape, surface texture, LEDs, backlighting, multiple tactile dome options, EMI, ESD, RFI shielding options, button embossing, embedded LEDs, multiple connector styles sealed to keep out incidental dust and moisture, window lens coating, and so on. They've got a big album with all their products. Let's have a look. If you're interested in this product, contact us. We will provide the best service for our customer. Looking forward to cooperating with you.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.